currently p.m. Eastern Standard Time on June 20th. Can we cheer for second last day of school? Yee. Emergency alert system notification.
Attention to the Jefferson, Ohio County. Killer clowns have been invading schools. This is not a drill, and I repeat, this is not a drill. Schools around the county have been on lockdown because of these clowns invading schools. C1 Clown Call 911. Stay tuned on 937M on radios.
Oof, killer clowns. Oh, no. Steubenville, Ohio, Jefferson County, 3:12 p.m. You watch someone play Roblox. Emergency alert system. Authorities have issued an emergency action notification.
Attention to Jefferson County, Ohio. Clowns have been attacking these cities. If you're in one of these cities, seek shelter immediately. Steubenville, Wintersville, and Georges Run. People in those cities seek shelter. IMM.
You can't hide. We always see you. Your death date is today. Emergency alert system. Authorities has issued a shelter in place.
Attention to the entirety of Ohio. The boss of clowns that has been cloning clowns has just hijacked televisions across Ohio. Description of the hacking. A clown laughing with the text, "You can't hide. We always see you. Your death date is today." You notice the text is red. Lock all entrances to your house and go to your basement and lock the basement door. That means the danger grew and got more dangerous. Dangerous danger.
No, go outside and we're friends. Don't listen to them.
Told you the death date is today.